Hey friends, I'm Donnie. Welcome. If you've ever wanted to build your own app or just been intrigued by the idea but always thought it was too complicated, or you thought you had to spend thousands of dollars hiring a coder to create it, stick around because those days are long gone. This video isn't about how I make $4 million a month with my simple little app. You will see a lot of those. No. This is an authentic video where I will show you the basics on how to begin, and from there, how to build upon it if you wanted to monetize and turn it into a potential income stream. With AI technology, it's easier than ever before to create your very own app. You don't have to know how to code or hire anyone else, and by the end of this video, you will know how to do it all by yourself. It's pretty amazing. So let's get started. In the last 2 weeks, I've built two entirely different apps, one for self-care and one for analyzing book covers. And I created them without any coding knowledge. Today, I'm going to take you through my process. I will create a fake app just to show you how easy it is. And it literally took me less than 10 minutes to build. All you need is ChatGPT and an AI-powered app platform. For this, I use Base44, and I will include a link to this in the description below. Here's a quick view of my self-care app. It's so completely cool. AI took my idea and ran with it. All I did was give Base44 a specific prompt from ChatGPT, and it built this multifaceted app made entirely with AI technology. Another one I made is for authors and book designers to analyze covers in specific niches. I gave it some detailed instruction, just basic descriptions of what I wanted the app to do, and it translated it into a functioning application where I can upload a cover for a detailed analysis, and it uses market trends to analyze cover designs and do other functions like provide design inspiration. Now let's build a simple app. First, we'll go into ChatGPT, and here I will type in a specific request. Create a list of underserved, unsaturated niches specifically for people over 50 in the self-care or creative markets that would do well as an app. And from that prompt, it pops out several different ideas for applications. Let's pick this one, art as emotional processing. So I will take this idea and ask ChatGPT to build out a prompt that we can copy and paste right into Base44 like this. I'll go ahead and change the app name. And then let it work its magic. I sped up this process, but all in all, it took about 5 minutes to complete. And really, you don't have to use ChatGPT. You can use Gemini, Grok, or any other AI chatbot. But the more detail you provide the chatbot, the more detailed your application is. Here, I'm just keeping it simple. The nice thing is you can build a fundamental base for your app, and then in Base44, you can continue adding prompts as you go, as much as you need. And here's the finished app. Let me take you through it. Again, it's pretty rudimentary, but it works. There are 4 different sections to this art therapy app. Let's go ahead and publish it so you can see how it looks online. By default, there's a login window, but I will show you how to remove that if you want to. Here it is on a desktop view. I can select a color and draw pictures right in the box. Then it will ask me a question that I log my answer in, and it saves it as an archive. Here's how it looks on a tablet. The app is responsive to any device: desktop, laptop, tablet, and phone. And it saves all my entries. Pretty cool, huh? And I can go into Base44 and continue adding direction to this app to build it out even more. Base44 works on credits. So depending on which plan you're on, you have so many credits to work with. Every time you type a request into the box here, you will use 1 credit. Now there's something I wanted to mention. If you click the Discuss tab, you will see it turn purple. That means it's in discuss mode. This is handy if you have questions or want clarity on something before making a hard request. And in this mode, it only uses up like 0.3 credits. I use this feature a lot if I just want Base44 to give me some advice about a certain request before I make it. For example, let's ask it a question. I'll put it into discuss mode, then ask how to add more colors to the palette. I like this mode because if it's easy enough, I can make the change myself without having to use up one of my credits. It comes back telling me how to do this and where the change needs to be made. So I go into code, locate the folder, and find where the palette colors are. To add a color, all I have to do is copy-paste one of the color code lines and then add my own hex code. Now let's take a look in preview mode. Here you can see the teal color has been added. Up here in the corner is where you can check how many credits you've used and how many you have left. The nice thing about Base44 is any credits you don't use in a month gets rolled over to the next, so you never lose those credits. Now I will show you how to remove the login window. In Dashboard, go to Settings, then App Settings, and here you'll see a checkbox that requires login to access. Uncheck to remove, then Publish. One more thing. I wanted to show you all the payment tiers. There's a free tier with 25 credits for just getting your feet wet. And then once you're ready to roll, I recommend the starter tier. Still inexpensive with 100 credits, which is more than enough to make a nice app build. Then when you're ready to take it further and include paid subscribers or a one-time fee, move to Builder. We're not going to cover the payment integration in this video, but let me know if you would like a video explaining this process further. It's not hard. It just involves Stripe integration and the special coding that connects the two. Base44 will build this integration. All you need to do is have a Stripe account and provide Base44 with the Stripe function codes. So that about covers the basics of creating an app with ChatGPT and Base44. I hope this has been helpful for you. And again, I will go ahead and leave a link to Base44 in the description below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. And if you would like me to put another video together for setting up pricing tiers or doing another type of app. Okay, I will see you in the next video.